Korean cultural event, Patjuk. Preparation: pack or can of pot and nuts. You can use raw beans, but it will take more effort. It is easier to use canned beans. In this video, we use beans from BioPlanet, which are without any added sugar. You can find the canned ones in Korean stores too, but they are usually very sweet. So we recommend you to use unsweetened ones. Use pine nuts, chestnuts, etc. for garnish. If you use raw beans, you need to start preparing them a day before. First, rinse the beans and soak them in the water overnight. The next day, put the beans with 5 cups of water in the pot. Bring it to a boil, uncovered. After this step, drain the beans once. And this time, boil them again with 4 cups of water. Cover and simmer over medium-low heat for about 2 hours. If you use canned beans, open the can, drain the water and rinse the beans with the water. Canned beans are already soft, so they only need to be boiled with 2 cups of water, uncovered. Let the beans cool in the cooking liquid. Puree the beans with half of cooking liquid by using blender until it gets smooth. Add some more water if the bean puree gets too thick. Return the bean puree to the pot. Simmer over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in the salt and sugar. Adjust the thickness of the porridge by adding more water if necessary. Ladle the patjuk into the serving bowl. Serve hot with optional garnishes. Add more sugar or salt to your taste. Bon appétit! Spread our event to your friends and neighbors and upload your pictures of Patjuk and Hojak-do on Instagram without forgetting to tag Koceabe.asbl. Gifts will be awarded to the winners.